Unraveling the Skies. Understanding, it's pouring outside. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, it's pouring outside. This phrase is a vivid way to describe heavy rain, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Stay tuned as we explore its meanings, usage, and some interesting facts you might not know. When someone says, "It's pouring outside," they're not just talking about a light drizzle. This phrase is used to describe a very heavy rainfall, where it seems like buckets of water are being dumped from the sky. It's the kind of rain that makes you want to stay indoors, sip on a hot beverage, and listen to the sound of raindrops hitting the roof. The verb, to pour, has been in the English language for centuries, originally referring to the act of flowing or causing to flow in a steady stream. When we say it's pouring outside, we're using this verb metaphorically to describe the rain falling heavily and continuously. It's a vivid description that perfectly captures the intensity of a downpour. "It's pouring outside" can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. To express surprise at the sudden change in weather. "I can't believe it's pouring outside. It was sunny just a moment ago." To cancel or reschedule plans because of the rain. "We'll have to cancel our picnic since it's pouring outside." To describe the current weather condition in a conversation. "You might want to bring an umbrella. It's pouring outside." Interestingly, the phrase, "It's raining cats and dogs," is often used interchangeably with, "It's pouring outside," to describe a heavy downpour. These expressions add a playful tone to the otherwise gloomy weather, showcasing the creativity of the English language. We hope this video has enlightened you on the phrase, "It's pouring outside," and its various nuances. English is full of colorful expressions that make learning the language an exciting adventure. Remember, whether it's pouring or shining outside, every day is a great day to learn something new. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.